Do you copy the same long formulas across multiple sheets or files every month? Excel has a hidden superpower called LAMBDA that lets you turn any formula into your own custom function. No VBA, no macros, just pure Excel. Let's see how we do it.
Okay, so let us understand how we can use the lambda function to save lots of time which is spent on writing formulas again and again. So here I have something very simple: employee, sales, and target. The commission rate is 10%, but the commission is paid only if the sales is more than target. So how would you write it normally? So for writing it normally, I would use an if condition. If sales is greater than target, then I want sales minus target into commission percentage, or else I want 0. So this is the formula I would write, right? And then we can drag it for every other scenario, and this is the result what we are getting. But there is an easier way. So if you are using this formula again and again, there are chances that there might be an error or some mistake, or you might give it to someone else and that person makes a mistake. So the easier way is you can create your own function. So let me just copy this, and I would create a lambda function. Okay, so equal to lambda. Alright, and then we'll define the parameters. So for example, we'll define three parameters here, that one is sales, one is target, and then one is commission. Got it? And now we'll put the if formula over here. So if sales is greater than target, then sales minus target into commission, right? Into commission, else 0. So this is the formula, and close. Yes, this is the formula that we need. Got it. So now all we gotta do is go to formulas, name manager, add new, and whatever name you want to give. For example, you want to give your name, um, or any other name, suppose commission calculator. Commission calculator, and then refers to, you're just gonna paste this what we had, and we're gonna click on OK. So we have our commission calculator formula ready. So now when you want to calculate, you just equal to commission calculator, the formula we created, sales, target, and then commission percentage, which will be frozen. Sorry, sales, target, and commission percentage, which will be frozen. And we have the same results. See? So, and it gets saved in every sheet. So this is how you can leverage lambda functions and save tons of time.